Hey everybody, Kennedy's Kitchen, and we're going to play a mazurka today. You're going, a what? Right. It's not a hornpipe, it's not a reel, it's not a jig, it's not a slip jig, it's not a polka. It's a mazurka. It's a dance tune, kind of waltzy sort of a feel to it. Nice little hoppy, very happy sorts of pieces. We'll play through the tune, and then we will go through phrase by phrase, and then we'll play through the tune again. But remember, before you can play the tune, you need to have the tune in your head. So you need to be able to lilt the tune. Deedle dum dum, deedle dum dum, diddly da 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 dum, bum ba dum bum ba dum bum ba dum bum bum, diddle dum dum, diddly da dum, diddly da deedle dum, diddle dum dum, diddly dum dum, dum diddly dee dum, deedle da da dum, diddly da dum dee diddle deedle diddle dee dum, diddly diddle dee dum, a deedle diddle dee dum. Diddly diddle dee diddle 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 dee dum, a diddle diddle dee dum. Okay, so there's the tune. When you can do that, you'll be able to play it, more or less. So I'll play through the tune. Try it again. All right, so now we'll go phrase by phrase. The A part's pretty simple, pretty easy. Just kind of arpeggios on G and D. So we start off with G. So, D, G, B, B, D, G, B, B, D, G, B, C natural, B, G. Sorry, A. We'll do that again. Now, you might notice that I'm doing some things like that. What I'm doing there is I'm putting a cut right in the middle of that B. So da, 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 dum, da, da, da. So I'm taking the note, the G, and by putting something in the middle, a cut, you end up dum, da, 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 dum. You end up with a kind of a triplet, right? Right in the middle of that. You don't need to do those things, right? It sounds nice and mazurka-y without it. So if you can't do it well, don't worry about it yet. But I wanted to just stop and let you know about that. Okay, one more time through that opening phrase. And now we're going to do an arpeggio on a D chord. So starting on the low D. And the notes in a D chord will be D, F sharp, and A. Again, so it's D, F sharp, A, D, F sharp, A, D sharp, A, and then B, A, G. Again. And here I'm doing I'm putting that little cut inside of the A, that Now I'm cutting it with this finger. You could use this one. Either this finger or this finger can work, and it pretty much sounds the same. So let's play through those two phrases. Okay, so that's ba-da-dum bum, ba-da-dum bum, ba-da-da-da-da-dum, ba-da-dum-dum, da-da-dum-dum, da-da-da-da-da-da. That's pretty much the whole A part. Let's play it through. Probably a little fast. Slow it down. 2, 3. So that's the A part. Lovely. Now the B part's a little harder. You go to that second octave on whistles and flutes, and it just gets a little harder to kind of get around. I call it getting around the corner. So. So that first climb is that B, C natural, D. Now you hear a little crunch in the middle of that. That's happening because I'm intentionally playing the B and then coming to a G, ever so quickly releasing into the C natural. It adds a little bit of crunch and kind of energy to that. And then, so again, that phrase. And now we're going to go down to a G. Da 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 dum. Again. That little ba da da dum da da. That can be a little tricky. Da 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 dum. Try it again. Ba da da dum ba da dum ba dee da dum ba da dum. So. Okay, next phrase. That's a little tricky. Ba-da-da-dum, ba-da-dum. That. Let's say, dum. Where am I? That's kind of tricky, all right? I'm going to play through that whole B part and then come back and try to chop it into smaller pieces. Just get that part. And now we're starting that little run from the G. Again. One more time and a little slower. Now from the B. So the B to the C, back to the B. Now here's a That's basically the B part, and then we repeat it. I don't think I've done a very good job of this, but we'll try it again. We'll just play through the B part nice and slow. That's it. Then you repeat it. Then you have a different ending. And then bot it up, you're back into it. So here we go. Let's play it again, nice and slow. Here we go. There you go. That's Shoe the Donkey.